Hello my friends, welcome back and thank you very much for watching. So today again I'm starting my one palette 5 looks series that I'm doing, but this time I will be featuring a soft glam palette from Beverly. And I know the packaging is super dirty, but this is how it is when you have, you know, this velvety material on top. Now I mentioned before that this is one of my favorite Beverly palettes, eyeshadow palettes. I do love her single eyeshadows more than her palettes usually, because some of the palettes are really, let's say, just a hit and miss. Sometimes the eyeshadows are too dry, too powdery, and the pigment will not stick, you know, to the skin or to the base. So it gets really patchy in a way. This palette, it's a good one, and I know a lot of you requested you know, my one palette 5 look series to do with this palette, so yeah, I'm starting this today. And this is the first look with this palette, which is like I don't know, like a dramatic matte smoky eye, burgundy smoky eye, pretty fallish with a bit of a twist. So I don't know, I really like these dots, like white dots. I think just brings a bit of freshness maybe to the look. And I kept everything pretty neutral with just a glossy lip. And yeah, let me know what you think about this look, and I will have 4 more in the future coming next. So enjoy and let's get started.